all Samsung ringtones and reacting to them. Let's go. Sounds like a notification. Sounds like an old phone. This is an 80s phone. Cool. Great. This is kind of beeping. A bit nostalgic because I used to have this kind of ringtone on my parents' phone when I was like 5. Wonder how they changed that in 2016. Great. 2 beeps. Sounds like a radio. What the? Looks like an alien searching. I don't know what. Alien radio signals. Yeah, I got them. This one's cool. This thing is a great mass. This is epic. This thing is an epic masterpiece. Ooh, this thing's nostalgic too. I had this one too. Most of the ringtones we had on the old phones. Oh, most ringtones we have now. Oh, this one. Ooh, I like it too. Kind of. Well, yeah. Why does it sound like a telephone though? It's a classic bell. It sounds like a telephone though. Oh, this one is amazing. It sounds more like a song, more than a ringtone actually. I think this thing have a really low volume, dude. This one sounds awfully like a flight dude. But this thing is cool. It was made by a piano actually. That's cool. Man, I used to use this ringtone, dude. Well, a few months ago, my mom used to use this ringtone. Oh, just on this phone. Now you put it on over the horizon. Haze. Ooh, this thing's cool too. Cool, this thing was my alarm. This is just my wake up thing. This sounds good. Oh, this is my alarm too. Oh yeah, this is the ringtone I use now. Cool. BTS made a version of that. We have a BTS of Japan over the horizon. Japan version of BTS. Another one. Another BTS. Damn, BTS fans be rocking by having these ringtones. Oh yeah, even I used to have this ringtone. It's really long back. This sounds like nothing, dude. This thing is too silent. Imagine getting a call, an urgent call, and you don't even hear it properly. This is weird. Oh yeah, this is my alarm too. Wait a little. I see this one is. This is cool. Just nice. And I used to use these ringtones in fake call apps. Yeah, those fake call apps, dude. I actually used to use these ringtones to test them. Yeah, this one too. Sounds like it's fun too. And this one too. And the last ringtone here we got. This thing is the first ringtone I use probably in my fake call apps. That's all the ringtones on my phone. You know, here's a fun fact. I updated my phone to One UI 5.0. I was asking my mom permission before doing that. Look at this. Oh, it's 5.1, not 5.0. Yeah, it says update. Every time I check the update, dude, shows me this. Forget my battery, dude. I don't really, I just forget my battery, dude. Anyway, here we have recommended apps. Samsung Shop, Smart Things, Samsung Health, Smart Hot Drawer. Smart Things updates. Oh, we can update Samsung Health. Connecting. This thing is downloading. Samsung Shop. Smart. Okay, that's the video. I'll also see you later, guys. Just